Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Siri icon to your Mac's menu bar so you can quickly activate Siri anytime with just one click. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support what we do. Thanks. Let's get started. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. Next, in the sidebar on the left, scroll down and click on Control Center. Now scroll through the list until you see Siri. By default, it might be set to Don't Show in Menu Bar. Click the drop-down next to Siri and select Always Show in Menu Bar. That's it. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see the Siri icon, which looks like a colorful wave. Clicking it will instantly launch Siri so you can ask questions, send messages, or control settings with your voice. Nice and easy. If this video helped, give it a like. Leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.